Hello my friends, this is a Vizio 32-inch TV and it's not working. There is no power. It's not powering up. So the first thing that I did was check the batteries in the remote, make sure that it was good. The batteries are new, does not respond to the remote. Next thing, the controls on the side of the TV, try to power up. With these controls, no response. Okay, now we have to open the TV up. Disconnect the power cord, make sure it's unplugged, and remove all the screws out of the back of the cover. The edges snap in. Right here is a fuse on the power supply circuit board, and you can verify that the fuse is good using your ohm meter. Crossing the fuse, and you can see that it has continuity. The fuse is good. You can also power up and measure 110 volts from ground to the fuse on both sides of the fuse, and that would verify that there's power there. And there was. What I also did was I checked output areas, and there was no low voltage. The power supply is providing power into the motherboard, and there is nothing showing that there is any power anywhere, including the LED light on the front of the TV. If there's no power, the remote sensors will not work. The motherboard is not powered up. So our first choice of problem would be power supply circuit board. And of course you want to reference the numbers on the internal board so that you can order the exact same board. When you search for your circuit board, look in the back of the TV and there will be a tag that will give you the model number and serial number of the TV that you're searching for or working on. Here is the replacement power supply board. Physically looks the same. I referenced the numbers and we have the same board. Okay, now we disconnect to replace. We have to disconnect all these cords, and you can see here there's a little locking mechanism. You squeeze and that allows that to come off. These clips, they just pull straight up. There's 3 of them. And then we remove the screws that's holding the board to the frame. Okay, removing the power supply board, replacing it with the new one. Replacement is the same as just in reverse. Replace all the connecting points. Now we put the back cover on. TV is plugged in, everything's buttoned up, and let's give her a test. Remote control usually takes a few seconds. There we have it. We saved the TV from going to the landfill. $22, I believe, is what the power supply board cost. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.